Hi friends, this is Anna with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. I am excited to be here today to share with you a very simple card idea made with our Harvest Hellos stamp set and coordinating apple builder punch and a couple of other fun products. So these came out in last year's holiday catalog and I immediately fell in love with them. I've made all sorts of fun projects with these, and we made these for my in-person card class at my house last week. And so I just thought I'd come and share with you how to make these. They come together very quickly and they just make nice fall cards for birthdays or any other occasion. So what we need to make this, we need a card base that measures 5.5 by 8.5. This one is soft suede. I made this one with crumb cake cardstock, a basic black one. So it can switch up your colors. This is a piece of our brushed foil cardstock in our holiday catalog that is absolutely beautiful, and I embossed it with our Woodland embossing folder. And then we just need a little bit of cardstock for either the pumpkins or the apples. And I'm going to make another apple card this time. We're not going to do pumpkins today, but as you can see, you can stamp the pumpkins with the same stamp set, and then they are the same size and shape to punch them out with the apple builder punch. It does the apples and the pumpkins. So this comes together quickly. Like I said, we are just going to put this piece, the embossed foil cardstock, on, and then we need to make a couple little apples, and it won't take long at all. This brush foil cardstock does come with 3 different colors of foil included, so you can see I've used the lighter one on these, and this is the darkest color, I believe. So those are just really pretty, especially to use on fall projects. Here is some scrap red cardstock that I'm going to stamp my apples onto. And I'm going to use soft suede ink. I used cinnamon cider on these, so it's going to come out just a touch lighter than the ones I'm going to do right now. I'll stamp 2 of those. Now you can see how easy it is to punch out these apples with the punch. So we'll lay these on here where we want them. I'm going to leave, when I'm arranging something like this, this is how I do it. So I arrange them like that. I'm going to leave this top one where it needs to be. I have to attach this one in place first. So I'm going to leave that one there so I remember where I want it. Put some adhesive on the back of this one. Hold this one in place. Stick it back there where I want it. Get it stuck down. And now this one I'm going to put on with some dimensionals. So it will pop up a little bit. Okay, now I already have some stems and leaves prepared. I punched out some stems from some soft suede cardstock, and then I stamped some leaves onto some garden green and punched them out with that punch. So I want just a little teeny bit of glue to put my stems on. And if you've been following along, you've seen me use my Take Your Pick tool quite a few times, so I can pick these little pieces up with, let's see, which way do I want this one to go? I think I do want it to go this way. So pick those up with the sticky end, and I don't have to fumble around with them with my fingers that way. These I want to put dimensionals on the back. So we use some of our mini dimensionals on them. I'll pull those paper backing pieces off. I'm using my Take Your Pick tool for this too, of course. So we'll put one right there. We'll put this one over here. And all we need are some greetings. So the greeting I pulled out for this card, if you can see, this says Happy Fall, y'all. And this greeting actually came from a different stamp set, this Banner Year set that has things for Halloween and fall and Christmas and also Valentine's Day. So it's got some really cute greetings in it, and I just love this Happy Fall, y'all one. So I am going to ink that up, and it didn't fit horizontally, so that seemed like a good reason to ink it up and stamp vertically and change it up a little from what we usually do. And then for the inside, I pulled out this one from the Harvest Hellos set that says, You Make Me Smile. So that's how quick and easy it is to make one of these cute apple or pumpkin cards. I hope you enjoyed this today. I hope to see you again next time, and make sure you stop in at my blog, scrappingstampingandstuff.com, to get more ideas and inspiration and shop for your products. Have a great day.